Milwaukee 20-inch dual battery. Just like the gas power. Look what bad spots you get out of it. That ain't too bad.
Your trend, ain't your brand. We're the last ones standing with dirt in our hands. Cause country blood don't break. We rise from the ash like a rat.
Got an old poison oak on here. That thing was caught up a couple years ago, and I cut it, trying to kill it.
Yeah, we rollin'.
I'm gonna cut this big one off right here, but first gonna roll on me. I know it's gonna roll.
For another shot, we'll just get started. If they're looking for fun, you know it's true. We're living life.
All right, give you a good view. So that's nice because it's metal. It's like a real, gas powered chainsaw, and it won't. If you brake is, kicked, it won't function. You pull that back.
Up, play the steel guitar, hank it up, let's rock this bar. Pour it
All right, so the cutting that we did, which if you can see, used one bar. But it's nice. You ain't got to worry about the gas. Works great. Milwaukee Fuel M18 20-inch. Thanks for watching. Got any questions, any comments, leave them in the chainsaw. I'll leave the link for that. Appreciate it. Like always, better start small and not start at all.